We want to find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve y is equal to 4x to the power half and the line 4y is equal to 7x plus 4. And to do that, let's try to solve this as a pair of simultaneous equations. We will call this equation number 1 and this, let's call it equation number 2. Solving this as a pair of simultaneous equations, I will sub equation number 1 into equation number 2. So we have a 4y, which is 4x to the power of half. This is 7x plus 4. Let's move everything over to the right hand portion, which will give me a 7x minus away. 4 times 4 is 16. So 16x to the power of half plus 4. This is equal to 0. And let's try to view this as a quadratic equation. Because what if I were to try to rewrite this as x to the power of half, which means that x will become x to the power of half, the whole thing to the power of 2 minus 16x to the power of half, then plus 4. This is equal to 2, and now we can actually view this as a quadratic equation if we were to let, for example, u be this x to the power of half, which means that the quadratic equation that I'm looking at is going to be 7u squared minus 16u plus 4 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation that we can factorize. Factorizing this, we will get a 7u minus 2 and a u minus 2 is equal to 0, which means that 7u minus 2 must be equal to 0 or u minus 2 is equal to 0. So u is going to be equal to 2 over 7. And what is u? U is x to the power of half, which means that x to the power of half is 2 over 7. So x is going to be 2 over 7 to the power of 2, which is 4 over 49. And this will definitely help me to solve for y2. Let's try to sub this into equation number 1 to get y. So y is going to be 4 times of x to the power of half, which is 2 over 7. So here 2 over 7, which means that y here is going to be equal to 8 over 7, which means that one of the coordinates of the intersection is going to be 4 over 49. The x coordinate and the y coordinate will be 8 over 7. Let's work on the other set of intersection points. So here u is going to be equal to 2 and u is x to the power of half. So x to the power of half is equal to 2, which means that x is going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Similarly, I'm going to sub this x into equation number 1. It is going to be 4 times x to the power of half, which is 2. This is going to give me 8, which means that the other coordinates of intersection is going to be at 4, 8.